Okay, I don't have a proof of concept, but I just came up with an idea that when I dust my laptop or my computer or speakers, or my wife wants to dust little trivets around a table or something, everything seems to be too rough. And when you pick it up and use something like this, even holding it, it's too rough. So I've taken one of these, and this is a lamb's wool duster, which I've already taken apart, and I've pulled this out and apart, and I've taken a sharp object and scored, so when I glue these strips onto this, it'll have something to hold on to. Okay, so these are the strips that come around a lamb's wool duster. And if this works, then I'll just go get another one and make it better. But this is what we're going to basically call proof of concept. And the way this should work should be something along this line. First bit of glue should go down here. And down here. So what I'm doing with this piece is just getting underneath it, make sure I don't cut any of the hair or the lamb's wool, and making little pieces so I can hot glue what I've got around the surface. Okay, the last little bit that's left, I took a small piece about like that and stoofed it up the schleiben to kind of put it right up front and kind of spread it around a little bit. And to that, I'd like to glue some more pieces. Should do it. This is a furnace material. Okay, we'll let that cool, and I'll go first aid my finger. Okay, this is the vac that I picked up at the Goodwill called a Data Vac. Now, perfect. And got a pretty good section. And we're going to put this on here. Like that. And of course, I need my piece. Oh, there it is. Looks like it turned out pretty good. Put that little piece of filter up there so I had something to glue to. Right? So let's get that baby on there and see how this actually works. Which I'm going to bet pretty good. The fact of the matter, put that in a safe spot. Hold yours. Yeah, I can feel it pulling in. Oh yeah. Not bad. Sure. Huh? Okay. Well, I'd call that a success.